Class 9, today I am telling you some formula. After that I will start exercise 8.3 of factorization. Okay. So there are four formula basically. First formula is x plus y whole cube. As we have done x plus y whole square, you know a plus b whole square, or you can say x plus y whole square. At that time formula was a square plus 2ab plus b square. Like this, it is also in terms of cube. Okay, so in this exercise we will deal on the cube. Okay, so x plus y whole cube formula is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. And x minus y whole cube formula is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So when you have plus sign and x plus y whole cube when you have, then you will use plus sign only. But when you have minus sign, x minus y whole cube, at that time 2 times there will be plus sign and 2 times there will be negative sign. You can learn this one, mug up this one, or you can understand and write also. See, in the second and the last one means here no sign is plus sign, then second minus, then plus, then minus. Meaning second one, before second term there is minus sign, and before fourth term there will be minus sign. Okay. Now in this two, cube is individual with x and y. X cube plus y cube. Here it is x plus y whole cube, means x plus y whole cube it is cube. But here it is individually you have to x cube plus y cube. Okay. Here also x cube minus y cube. When this type of thing will come, then there are two formula. Mostly we will use this formula. Okay. This one. This one we will use when we will go to next exercise 8.4 or 8.5. Formula is, here you have x cube plus y cube. Formula is x plus y, then bracket open and close, then x square minus xy plus y square. And when you have one more formula is x plus y whole cube minus 3xy x plus y. Okay. So when you have plus sign here, you will write plus here, only minus you will write here. Okay, otherwise all will be plus. Same thing happened with x cube minus y cube. Formula is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. It means when you have minus formula, then you will keep x minus y, otherwise all will be positive. And when you have plus formula, then you will keep minus only here, otherwise all will be positive. And there are two formula for x cube plus y cube. Mainly this formula we will use when we prove or do something in exercise 8.4 and 8.5. But here in this exercise we will use this, sometimes this also, this and this. Okay. So please copy this one in your copy. It is already given in page 138. Okay. You can go to that page and see all the formulas. Copy this one. Class 9C exercise 8.3, question number 1. It is given 3 to the power 9 minus 512. So what you will do, first you will take LCM of the number given to you in a row. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. Okay, why I am doing? Because power is 9, t to the power 9. We can make easily 3 power 3, t power 3 power 3. Means 3 power 3, then whole 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay, why I am making? To make it into formula of cube. Okay, we have x cube minus y cube formula. Formula number 4. Formula x cube minus y cube formula is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. This is the formula I am making into x cube minus y cube. Since we have t to the power 9, I can break this 9 in form of 3 into 3. So I am getting t to the power 3, then to the power whole 3. Now I will make this one as a cube. Okay, that is why I am finding LCM. Now cube means you have to take pair of 3 numbers. See, 3 numbers. Again 3 numbers, again 3 numbers. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 you got 8, again 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8. Okay, so means 8 how many times? 3 times. So you can write 8 power 3. Means 8 power 3 you will get 512. First you have to make it into formula of cube. Okay, now a cube minus x cube minus y cube. X cube minus y cube formula is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So x minus y, x means 3 to the power 3 because this fully inside the bracket it is x. So 3 to the power 3, then minus y is 8. Okay, then x square means 3 power 3 power square. Why? Because 3 cube is our x. So 3 power 3 power square. Why? Because here we have x square. Okay, here in formula we have square, that is what I have to give. Okay. Now after that, plus xy, x is 3 to the power 3 dot y is 8 means multiplication, plus y square means 8 square. Okay. Now 3 to the power 3 minus 8, 3 2s are 6. You have done laws of indices that when you have this type of power, a power 3, then whole power, then this power will multiply. Means this one will become 3 2s are 6. Same I have done. Power 3 to the power 3 is already here. 1 more square is here. So 3 2s are 6. 3 power 6. And this one then we can multiply 8t cube. First write number, then write any variables. 8 square will give you 64. 8 is the 64. Now you can see this one is done, but we can break this one again. Why? Because this one is t cube and 8 cube we have. 8 cube is what? 2. If you don't know, please see. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 12. So 2 2 2. How many times 2 is coming? 3 times. So you can write 3 power 3 minus 2 power 3. Okay. This one you will not do anything. Just write as it is. Okay. Now 3 power 3 means 3 cube. Same formula I am using. X cube minus y cube formula is x plus y. X minus y, so x minus y is 2. Okay. Then x square plus xy plus y square. X square means t square plus xy means t dot 2 xy plus y square. Y square is 2 square. Okay, I am giving here second bracket because I have given already first bracket. Now this one I will write as it is t6 plus 8t cube plus 64. Okay. Now this one solve, you will not be able to solve further. So you will write t to the power 3 minus 2. Here t square, write t square plus t into 2 means 2t plus 2 square will give you 4. Now this one you will write as it is. Again I am repeating the question that it is given t to the power 9 minus 512. First I am making cube of cube. Means t 9 9s are 3, 9 3 3s are 9, so I am writing 1 3 inside and 1 3 outside. By to making into formula of cube. Now 512 when I have taken the LCM I am getting 8 to the power 3. Okay. Now formula is x cube minus y cube. Formula is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. I am just putting the value of x and y here. X is t cube and y is 8. Okay. Now when I am putting, I am getting square, so t 3 2s are 6, t to the power 6 plus t to the power 3 into 8, t to the power 3, 8 square will give you 64. Now you can see we can break this one again. T cube minus 8. Formula is t cube minus 8 cube is 2 to the power 3. Okay, this one I am writing as it is. Now t cube minus formula is t cube minus 2 cube. Formula is x minus y. So x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, and this one I am writing as it is. When I am opening this one, I am getting this. So this one is your answer. Okay, complete this one. Now class 9, see question number 3. 8p minus 3 whole cube plus 343. Now this one p minus 3 whole cube is already in cube. 8 is the cube of 2. In the last question you have done already that 8 is the cube of 2. So we can write like this whole cube. In place of 8, now I am writing 2. Why? Because 8 is cube of 2, so 2 to the power 3. Now p minus 3 I can write plus. Now I have to take LCM to see that 343 is the cube of which number. So 343, 7 table, 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 6 will go here, 7 9 is 63. Okay, 7 7s are 49, 7 1 is 7. So you can see 7 is coming 3 times. It means that 7 is the 343's cube is 7. Okay. Now you can multiply this one. 2p minus 2 3s are 6 cube plus 7 whole cube. Now you can see this one is x and this one is y. X cube plus y cube. Formula is x cube plus y cube formula. X cube plus y cube formula is x plus y x square minus xy plus y square. So x plus y, it means x is 2p minus 6 plus y plus sign and y is 7. Okay, then x square means 2p minus 6 whole square, because our x is 2p minus 6 minus xy, x is 2p minus 6 and y is 7 plus y square means 7 square. Okay, since we have second bracket, first bracket, that is why I am giving second bracket. Okay, so that you will not get confused which one we are doing. Now after this you can solve this one if it is possible to solve. 2p minus 6 plus 7 minus plus minus, so plus 1 you will get because 7 is greater. Okay, with 7 we have plus sign, so that is why I am giving. Now this one you have to solve it into formula a minus b whole square. Formula is a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Why? Because we have a minus b. Here a is 2p and b is 6. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. B is 6. Okay. Now this one we can multiply without any problem. So minus I will put 7 into 2p, 14p. Now minus plus 7 into 6, 7 6 are 48, 42. Okay. Now plus 7 square. 7 square means 49. Okay. Please concentrate again. First, I am saying this one, we can break it into formula of a minus b whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we have 7 and we have to multiply 7 with 2p minus 6. So 7 into 2p, 14p and 7 into 6, 42. Now how will change the symbol? Minus plus minus plus. 7 square will give us 49. So plus 49. Okay. This one already done. We will not be able to go further. We will not be able to do anything with this. So I am writing 2p plus 1 as it is. Now we have to solve this one. 2 square and p square. 2 square will be 4 and p square will be p square. Minus 2 2s are 4. 4 6 are 20. 4p. We have one p here also. So plus 6 square will give you 36 minus 14p plus 42 plus 49. Now you can solve this one if it is possible to solve anything inside the bracket. 4p square, no pair, so I will write 4p square as it is. Minus 24p minus 14p, minus plus, but we have to put minus sign because 24 is greater. With 24 we have minus sign. So 24 plus 40, 38p. Okay. Plus 36 plus 42 plus 49 means all will positive, so all will add and how much you will get? 36, 42, 49. Okay. Now 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17, 7, carry 1. 4, 4, 12. 12 and 4. 4, 4, 8. 8 and 4, 12. So you are getting 127. This one is your answer. Okay. So please complete this one. Class 9C question number 6. It is given A capital R capital R cube minus A small r cube plus A capital R square h minus A small r square h. Okay. So in this question what you will do, you will take common from the first two and the last two. So in first two only A is common, so you can write A outside and whatever left please write inside the bracket. Okay. Now plus sign, when you will write plus sign, this sign will not change. Now what is common? A common, write A. Then H common, write H. Okay. Now what is left? R square, capital R square minus small r square. Okay, sign will not change because we have plus. Now you know the formula of x cube minus y cube. In place of x here we have capital R and in place of y here we have small r. Okay, so x cube minus y cube formula is x minus y, then x square plus xy plus y square. Same thing you will do x minus y. Means here r minus r, capital R minus small r. Then x square is capital R square plus xy. Means r, no? Because we have capital R and small r. Now plus y square means small r square. Okay. Now ah. Now this formula you know. A square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square formula is a plus b, a minus b. This formula we will use here because we have r square minus r square. So a square minus b square, a plus b. Here it will be r plus r. Small capital R plus small r. Then again capital R minus small r. Okay. Now see, in this one and in this one, what is common? See, here A is present, here A is present, so you can write A outside. Now here R minus Y is present, here also R minus Y is present, so you can again write outside. Okay, whatever left, that one you will write inside one bracket. Okay. So this one left, from this one, so I am writing R square plus capital R small r plus small r square. Here only h left and one more thing r plus 1, r plus r. Okay. Now after that only one step are there. R square plus r plus r square. These h will multiply, it will give r into h, capital R h plus r into h, again r h. This one will be your answer. Okay. So what I have done, first I am taking common from first two and last two. Then after taking common I am breaking into formula of a cube minus b cube and this one a square minus b square. Then I am breaking after that from this first part and second part we have to take common a common and r minus 1, r minus r minus r common. That is why I am writing outside the bracket and whatever left I am writing inside the bracket. So this one left I am writing. Then here h and r plus 1 left I am writing, then I am opening the bracket, I am getting this. Okay, complete this one. Now class 9C question number 7 is written a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube minus a. Now first formula, this one is the first formula. X plus y whole cube formula is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Now you can see this one, this part and this part same. Only the difference is this: in place of x, in our question it is a, and in place of y we have b. Okay. So otherwise all the things are same. X cube, there a cube plus 3 a x square by b plus 3 x a y square b square plus y cube b cube. So in this full place, we can write a plus b whole cube. Okay, understood? And minus it as it is. Now you know, when you will take LCM of a, you will get 2 cube. Now because 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 1s are. So you are getting this. So a plus b. That is why in place of 8 I am writing 2 whole cube. Okay, now you can see formula of 8 x cube minus y cube, formula number 4. X cube minus y cube formula is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. Same formula we will use here. Here x cube minus y cube. This one is x and this one is y. Formula is x minus y, means a plus b minus 2. Then you have x square, means a plus b whole square, because x is a plus b, plus xy. Xy means a plus b into 2, because x is a minus a plus b, so a plus b and y is 2. Then plus y square. Plus y square means 2 square. Okay, 2 square. A plus b minus 2. Now you can see, we can break this one in the formula of a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now this 2 will multiply with a also, with b also. So plus sign, 2 into a, 2a, plus 2 into b, 2b, plus 2 square will give us 4. Okay. After this, if it is possible to solve, you can solve, otherwise this one will be your answer. Now see, a square, then will be no term related to a square, 2ab, no term, b square, no term, 2ab plus 2, no. So this one is your answer only. Okay, copy this one. Now class 9, see question number 8, it is written 32 x to the power 4 minus 500x. When you will take LCM of 32, you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. How many times you are getting 2? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So I am writing 1 2 3 4 5. And x we have 4 times. That is why I am writing x into x into x into x. Now we have to take LCM of 500. 500 LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are, then 5 25s are, then 5 5s are 5 1. So how we are getting 2 times and 5 3 times. So I have written 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into x, because we have only one x. Okay. Now you can ask why we are doing so, because we would not be able to make cube if we will not take common. Now we can take common from this term and of that term. 2 times 2 means we can write 2 outside. 1x we can take common. We can write 1x also. Now what is left? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. X into x means x cube. There 5 into 5, 120, 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. And x we have already taken common. Now 2 2s are 4 into x, 4x. Now 8 is cube of 2 and x cube, so that is why I am writing 2x whole cube. And 125 is the cube of 3, means when you will take LCM, you will get 3 times 5, it means 5 cube. Okay. Now 4x, a cube minus y cube, formula is x cube minus y cube, formula is x minus y, x square means 2x square plus xy means 2x into y, 2x into y plus y square means 5 square. You have to learn the formula properly. Okay, understood up to here? Now only you have to solve this one already done, so I will write 2x minus 5 as it is, and 2 square, because we have 2x whole square, this 2 square will give us 4 and x square will give us x square. Now plus 2x into 5, 10x plus 5 square will give us 25. So this one is your answer. 4x, 2x minus y, 4x square plus 10x plus 25. Copy this one. Class 9C question number 9 exercise 8.3. Now you can write this one 2a whole cube because 8 is cube of 2 and 8 we have cube, so 2a whole cube minus b cube. Now from this cube what we can take common, we can take x common, x present in both, and from here we can take 2 common because 1 4 is made out of 2 2, so we can take 1 2 common from both. So what is left? 2 a minus b. Why 2a minus b? Because we have taken minus as a common. If we will take minus as a common, sign will change. Okay. So after this, what we will do? We can make it into formula a cube minus b cube. Formula is a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. And this one I will write as it is 2 minus 2x 2a minus b. Okay. Now open the bracket, this second bracket. So it will be square. 2 square will give 4, a square will give a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2x 2a minus b. Now you can see this one and this one is common in this term and this term, so we can write one time 2a minus b. Now what is left from here? This one is left 4a square plus 2ab plus b square, and from here minus 2x. So this one is your answer. Okay, complete this one. Now class 9, see question number 10. In this question we can write x cube minus, what is the formula of a minus b whole, x minus b whole cube? Formula is x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. Okay, so we can see x cube we have, we can make this one this term, we can make this one 12x in this term, but we don't have y cube. Okay, we have to make y cube from 35. So how we will make? I am telling you. See, x cube, after that 3. So you will write 3 x square y is, if you will break this one 6x square, you will get 3 into x square dot 2. It means that y is 2. Again I am repeating, if I will break 6x square in terms of 3x square y, then I will get 1 3, okay, then I will get x square, okay, but y we have 2. Okay, now again if I will break 12x in this term, 12x in this term, 3xy square, so 3, okay, x is x only and y square means 2 square. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3 12, 12 into x 12x. Okay, so I am writing 3 dot x dot 2 square, but we don't have minus y cube, so we have to break this one to make it minus y cube. Y value is 2. If I will write minus 8 and minus 27, minus plus 27 and 8 will add up, will give you 35 minus 35. So that is why I am making 35 in such a manner so that 2 cube will come, which is 8. Okay, now x cube minus 3x square dot y dot 2 plus 3x 2 square minus 8 is cube of 2, so 2 cube, and 27 is the cube of 3. Okay, now you can see this one is coming in this manner, x cube minus 3x square y minus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus 3xy square minus y square. Okay, so in this place we can write x minus y whole cube. So I am writing x minus y is our 2 whole cube minus 3 cube, because this one we are not using. Now you can see formula is a cube minus b cube. Formula of x cube minus y cube or a cube minus b cube is x minus y, then x square means x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, this one we can We can add minus minus plus, minus 5 will come. Now we can break this one with the formula of a minus b whole square. Formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Plus we can multiply this 3 with x also and with 2 also. So 3 into x, 3x plus minus minus 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 square will give you 9. Okay. Now after that I am taking this side x minus 5. Then this one x square minus 2 to the 4x plus 2 square will give you 4 plus 3x minus 6 plus 9. Now it is possible to solve this one. Then solve it. How much it will come? X square for x will no term. Okay. Minus 4x plus 3x. How much it will be? Minus x. Now plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 plus 9 plus 7. Okay. So this one is your answer. Only difference is this, I am breaking this 35 in terms of 8 to make it 2 cube and 3 cube, so that we will get the formula of x minus 5 whole cube, and individually I am also getting 3 cube. When I am solving, again I have to put in the formula of x cube minus 5 cube. Formula is this. After that I am getting x minus 2 whole square. I have to break it also, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. After breaking, when I am solving, I am getting this answer. Okay, complete this one. Class 9, your homework is exercise 8.3, question number 2, 4 and 5. If you have any query, you can ask me in the given email ID, and you have to submit your homework by tomorrow in the given email ID. Okay, thank you.